look at the check light engine because I gotta fix that when I get home. Yeah, it's not major, but just a little hose that came off. I gotta make a longer one so it can connect. Yeah, 7 a.m. POV drive with the 2650 on. Posting rain soon, so I don't know what state of my car like that. Yeah, posting rain soon, so I gotta get to Cribbo. You can see if it's gonna rain soon. Yeah, my exhaust is fucking. It's not coming off, but fucking basically came off the hanger, so I gotta fix that too, as y'all can see, as y'all saw at the beginning of the video. So yeah, got a couple things I gotta do. I gotta put something on that exhaust hanger so it won't come off. I don't know what to put on there though, because it keep coming off the hanger. I just don't know what to put on the hanger. So look at this sunset. Oh, look. Let's do a little pool right here. A little pool. Had to do a video for that little pool. Can't even hear my supercharger line because my back seat's not in. I hear all the trunk. Literally, so you take that back seat out, you can't hear shit. Feels good outside though. Feels great outside. Nobody outside. I love this shit. Barely any cars outside. You could never go on this road and not be stopped right here. I hate that check engine light on. I gotta fix that shit. I gotta turn that shit off later. man. I'm freaking tired, bro. Goodness. I got football practice today. I gotta get some sleep. I'm freaking tired. Maybe a cop right here. Let me see if he's right here or not. He's not right there. Right there though. That's so pretty, bro. That sunset or sunrise. Sunrise is nice as hell. I knew I had freaking back brakes. I had some back brakes in this bag, and I knew I had some. Like, I was like, bro, I know I got some new back brakes somewhere, so probably changed my back brakes either Sunday. Sunroof up a little bit. Golf session right now. Sunrise, golf sesh. It's gonna be nice right now. I love this heated wheel, bro. I feel like I drive better with a heated wheel. Is that weird? Oh, maybe I'm weird. Probably not. Look at that, chat. Shit, a lot nice. hopefully y'all enjoyed this little video. 7 a.m. cruise. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Like the video. And yeah, man, lots of content coming soon. I'll catch y'all later. I'll catch y'all on the next one, man. Peace.